Guys, trade recap today plus Bitcoin update. The trades I shared in the private list was Polymesh, up only, TAMADOGE, and Apricot Finance. We just made 385%. I made $38,000. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin today. I want to show you something. This is very important. Guys, Bitcoin right now was doing higher highs. You see here, and at the same time RSI is doing lower highs. This is bearish. Bitcoin just crashed down 8%. It might go down up to this line here as a support. So I'm expecting Bitcoin go around $23,000 again. Okay? Now, let's talk about the coins I share in the private list. Like I mentioned before, we don't care for the price, guys. Prices doesn't matter. We care for the volume. Volume is money. A lot of people don't make money trade crypto because they trade coins without volume, low volume. We trade money. Here, $38,000 just made my pocket. Price go flat, volume spike plus buyer power. Here we go. TAMADOGE, guys. Take a look at this. I shared this trade in the private list right here on 17. We bought this coin for 0.014 and put a sell order up here. Daily resistance 0.035, guys. 145%, $14,000 in my pocket. Okay, before the pump, there is a pre-pump in volume. Volume spike right here on April 14. So I share this coin the private list on April 17. Talk about 4 days difference. And our order just get filled today. Okay. Next trade recap. Legal of assigns, guys. Again, do you remember we traded this coin last week? Here we go again, 135% profit. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.005 and put a sell order up here. Daily resistance 0.001, 135%. I'm at $13,000. The secret sauce, guys, is to collect this data from the exchange. That's what I'm doing here by API. My soft calculated volume spike plus buyer power. Join us to get those trades in real time. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Give me a like this video, share, keep yourself updated on Bitcoin. This is a lifetime opportunity. You're gonna change your life. Main cryptos, guys. I will teach you and let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos, guys. Software is tracking the market, 5,000 coins right now. So we have way more coins to trade. Let's go. Let's get this crypto. Let's trade together. Together we are strong. I share all my trades in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time. Price goes up faster, guys. Stick with me and let's make some money. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.